to follow the procedure described in the shop manual when performing removal or installation of the cylinder head. Pay special attention to the sequence of loosening the head bolts, and divide the task into steps, as described in the shop manual. Be sure to check details in the shop manual, because every model differs from one another. First, unscrew each bolt by 120 degrees. Second, unscrew each bolt again by 120 degrees. Unscrew each bolt for the third time until each bolt turns freely. Remove the bolts. Pay close attention to the removed cylinder head too. Before removing, prepare a safe and clean place and lay the removed cylinder head there to avoid damaging the mating surface against the engine block. There are many narrow oil passages in the cylinder head. Foreign substances in the oil passages may cause blocking up the flow of oil. If foreign substances enter the surrounding area of the valve stems, it may result in a fundamental problem.